a sunny start to your Sunday with some mild temps, but from what I hear, Rebecca, some chilly weather is headed our way.
There is some change in the forecast. We do have some snow in the northern valley and some cooler temperatures. I'll have more coming up in the main weather.
Just clowning around on
That's
this
right.
Halloween. And in the weather department, another spooky sight is your cat costume.
Oh, meow. Yes, we are waking up to mostly clear sky this morning. It kind of looks a little spooky out there, seeing that clear sky. We haven't seen it for the last couple of days. But also, everyone, I wanted to see which costume you liked more. If you've noticed, Travis has switched out between a mustache and his clown costume, so you can always write that on our Facebook wall, or you can also tweet it at us. We have both pictures, so let us know which one you like more. Good morning, 6:06 this morning. Happy Thanksgiving. We are starting off talking about a winter weather advisory. I know, definitely not what we want to hear on one of a busy travel day for many folks across the state, across all of the United States actually, but the winter weather advisory is going to be in effect from 6 o'clock this morning, so it just became in effect for many of you out in western and central North Dakota, stretching all the way throughout this afternoon and into this evening as it goes in the northern half of the Red River Valley and into the central parts of Minnesota. So the main threats with this are going to be some blowing and drifting snow. Snow accumulations anywhere between a trace to 2 to 3 inches of snow, reduced visibility at times, wind chill values with the wind picking up, and then also that possibility for some slick roads. So there's multiple things that are going to be going into this winter weather advisory. My best advice would be just to keep an eye on the forecast, keep an eye on the road conditions, and just be smart while traveling. Do know that if the roads do look bad, maybe change up your travel plans a little bit. Here's a look at the satellite and radar this morning. Again, what we're mainly looking at is that snow that is developing out in western North Dakota, just about to head into the Williston area. Right now, most of it is still in Montana, but it will be pushing its way across the state as we go throughout this afternoon and into this evening. I'll show you that when we get to the Futurecast model. But this morning, many places seeing a mostly clear sky, and that means it is downright chilly outside. Many places, except for a few lucky locations out in western North Dakota, are below zero this morning. 12 below in the Fargo-Moorhead area, 15 below in Grand Forks, 17 below in Langdon, 11 below in Detroit Lakes, 9 below in Minot, 8 below in Bismarck. Now, this is not with the wind chill. The wind is actually fairly light out of the southwest, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. But even with that light wind chill values in most places are in the 20s and 30s below zero. So if you're traveling this morning, allow your car plenty of time to warm up. The Futurecast model, again, is showing the snow pushing into the state, pushing into North Dakota, actually, later on this morning and into this afternoon. Again, you see that line of pink there? That is freezing rain possible. So we could be talking about a mixture of some freezing rain and some snow. Roads will definitely be slick if we do see this, probably in the far southwestern corner of North Dakota. And then throughout this afternoon and into this evening, that snow is going to push across North Dakota into the Red River Valley, into parts of central Minnesota. And then we may even see a few lingering flurries tomorrow morning. Today we're looking at highs in the single digits, which is quite the hike from where we are this morning. Tonight, actually warming up as we go into the evening hours. Snow likely across much of the Red River Valley, out in western and central North Dakota. Upper teens, lower 20s today. Snow in the north, again, that possibility for some mix in the south. Tonight, dropping down into, many places it'll be similar to what our highs were today. Really no dropping or rising of temperatures. And the 7-day forecast. Teens today, possibility for some snow, even some mixed precipitation in the southern half of North Dakota. And then warmer weather the next couple of days, another chance for snow Saturday into Sunday. A similar story in the Red River Valley. A very cold Thanksgiving today, possibility for snow tonight into tomorrow, and then another chance Saturday into Sunday. A roller coaster of temperatures. Best advice, again, keep an eye on the forecast and the DOT conditions.
All right, thanks, Rebecca.
Good morning. It's Friday, April 18th. It is 6:03 this morning, and it's finally Friday.
Feels like it's been a long week.
Oh,
it's been kind of a chilly week too.
I've been stuck working with air. I'm just kidding. No, it's going to be a great weekend. Great weather to look forward to.
Yes, certainly so.
Detroit Lakes is preparing for the town's population to triple in size this weekend.
And I love Detroit Lakes. Memorial Day weekend is often looked at as the unofficial start of the summer. Some new items to Detroit Lakes this year: a new pavilion area and an ice cream truck. The city says summer is the most important time of the year for them.
The city is holding a Memorial Day parade Monday. Also throughout the summer, they'll have Music in the park by the beach every Tuesday, and a farmer's market every Tuesday and Saturday.
And the weather is getting nicer for the big weekend. What do we have in store? Aaron will have more on that coming up. A judge has set bail at $1 million with conditions and $1.5 million without conditions for a fertile Minnesota teenager accused of shooting a Norman County deputy.
It's going to be an interesting weekend, but gorgeous as well, with highs in the 70s and 80s.
So for all those storms, make sure you tune into WDAY and WDAZ for the very latest on that coverage. All right, well, thank you so much. And thank you for starting your morning with us here on First News. You can join us again tonight at 5, 6, and 10, and we'll be back here Monday morning at 5. Have a great weekend.